I believe we all got it. There is a natural state of emptiness when this mind merges with the real self. So, who realizes the intellect? There is no pressure, there is no duality, there is no confusion. Otherwise, what the mind says, oh, this side emptiness and that side conflict, that side duality, this side emptiness. So that is what we have understood today clearly. And now do nothing. You have been doing nothing. Separation. That I'm not the name in the form. How do you separate? The intellect knows this body is constantly changing. It has a name and it is the form by which I am recognized. And inside, the knower is there. There is no doer. It means you are not doing anything. We already discussed that the mind creates the doer and the experiencer, part of expression of I thought ego. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, the mind on the left hand. Take your time. Raise both your palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. Know your experiences and bring the hands down. How are you, David and Jerry?
Great experience for me during the short breaths. I had an itchy nose, and I thought to myself, I'm not going to scratch it. And soon it went away. And then during the yasa, I had an itchy or something in my neck, and I thought, no, my mind is trying to distract me. I'm going to ignore it. By the time we got into the heart center of the triangle, I felt like I was elevated above me, and I was an observer of my body and my mind. By the end.
Beautiful. It's a beautiful observer. We are a knower. We are not a doer. The mind creates the doer. No doubt. That's a deeper experience. How are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good. Just wanted to first say thank you for being here on this platform, creating it for the last 2 years. So for all of us.
Thank you very much. I'm grateful to you. You have been supporting me.
Thank you. And I guess the meditation for me started during the discussion around Shraddha, faith. And I was clear that I'm settled in the faith. And over the past 2 years, I've really been grounded in that faith.
Beautiful.
Going. So it doesn't mean I'm not still working on my mind.
Yes, we have to work on the mind. How are you, Sam and Stephen? I think Jerry told you to join the session, yeah?
Yep.
You have to be grateful to Jerry and David.
Always am. My meditation can be summed up as being ever present. Just there's not a thought, there's not a worry. Whatever we were doing, wherever we were supposed to be within the bodies at the time, even though I know we're not our bodies, I was there with no other distractions. I realized when we got to the heart, when we enter the heart cave, there's nothing goes on in there. It's just settled and quiet and peaceful and happy. And today's meditation, actually, I knew when I came out of that depth of my heart center, that real quietness, because it was like that point of me to check in with myself, and the contemplation reflection came in and said, okay, where are we at right now? And like, this feels really good. And that's where the whole thing just came together. And I realized, to Girish's statement, is that I'm living into the faith.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Faith not on me, on yourself. So, how are you? Beautiful. How are you, Sam?
Good. Felt it was a very deep space today, but just noticed, a sense of peace and happiness while I was there. And no thoughts, no anything, nothing to worry about, just that.
Just that, yeah. Beautiful. Yes, Kate, how are you? Be grateful to our Lara.
Good morning, everybody. Yeah, of course. And to everybody that's here, because I wouldn't be here if you weren't here. So that's on, right? Very quiet and still. Very
quiet and still. Beautiful.
Deep and yeah, I went right in, right out.
Beautiful. How are you, Vaibhav?
So it was really very good, very quiet. It's like that I'm sitting and then all the things are going in front of me and I'm just at peace.
Beautiful. That's beautiful. How are you, Ashok? कुछ और करना है प्रभु जी, अंदर जाना चाहिए।
हाँ नहीं, आज तो सर अच्छा हुआ, Student was good, and yeah, it was going from mind to no mind, and very much
Yeah,
relaxed
yeah.
and
It should go deeper inside.
deep inside. Yes.
Then those challenges will also go away. How are you, Anastasia?
Thank you for the practice. I'm okay. I've had a lot of interesting this week because I'm going deeper to my practice, and outside world is changing, and I have opportunity to check everything how is going for me personally, like my fears came up or something else. And this meditation was very quiet and peaceful, but I had some thoughts and body movement, something like
Yeah.
that. I think it's because of all of this process that
Yes, yes. Simple understanding, Anastasia. Yes, you are getting there. A simple understanding that when the intellect is paralyzed, then we experience, the suffering in our life. So, but that intellect should realize, as Jerry said, with the faith to the real self. I have a faith, yes, the real self is within me. It is here and now. So even if the mind is playing the tricks, we can get rid of it. That is all for today. Thank you very much. We'll meet
Thank
again.
you. Namaste.
thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Kavita, check in with Kavita.
Kavita, yeah. Kavita, yes. How are you, Samir? What is
Samir.
your experience? Kate, reminds me, she is wonderful.
Sir, it has been a long time I am doing this meditation, and it has been a wonderful experience.
Wonderful.
I totally forget my body. I totally forget I am feeling cold, anything. When I come out of meditation, then I think that I am suffering from cold, and I totally lose my body awareness when I am in meditation.
That's beautiful. That's a kind of transcending the body. That is beautiful. Wonderful. So we'll meet again. Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Namaste.